Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Warzone not launching on Steam so you can start the game without crashes or errors. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can often block the game from opening. Next, open Steam and verify the game files to repair any missing or corrupted data. After that, run Steam and the game as administrator to avoid permission issues. You should also update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers can prevent launch. Another important step is to disable overlays like Steam Overlay, Discord, or GeForce Experience because they can interfere with startup. Also, make sure your Windows system is fully updated for better compatibility. If the issue continues, clear Steam download cache from settings to remove corrupted data. Finally, restart your PC and try launching Warzone again, and it should work normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.